Hi, Cynthia with SwanSoapandSuch, and I'm going to be making some soap today incorporating food and drink in the soap. This is a soap challenge from Amy Warden for the month of June. I'm going to be adding Pear and Blueberry because it's already pureed and I like that the work's done. Plus I have some Aloe Vera Juice that I've already mixed into my lye water yesterday, and it has some lye lint, so I'll be straining that. So this is Pear and Blueberry, and it's quite yummy. Let's go make soap. Hi everybody, Cynthia with SwanSoapandSuch. Going to make some food and drink soap. So I've mixed up my oils. So now I will get my lye put into the soap here in the oils. As you can see, I have some lye lint, so I'm going to strain it. This is 100% aloe vera juice in place of the water. So all that lye needs to go in. We just need to make sure it's in a smaller so it gets incorporated well. Okay, that looks good. Make sure I got everything out. Strain my container here. Scrape out, sorry about the back of the container. Okay, now we'll get started. Here we go. Okay, we have reached emulsification. And we're going to split our batch up. Let me just scrape some of that soap off of there. Okay, so I have some alkanet in here that I have put in with some of the soap oils. So I am going to go ahead and put some of my soap in here. Hopefully I have enough alkanet so it'll go purple instead of gray. So, and I'm also going to, since I have plenty of soap oils in here, I'm going to put this whole thing in. It's only 4 ounces. I can do up to 6 ounces in my soap. So I am using over 50 ounces of oil in here. So we'll mix this up. It's turning a nice green. Alkanet has a adaptability in changing colors, so we'll see what color we get once we're done. Now that that's all mixed together, I'm going to put in my essential oils, which I have in here, which I just shook up. It has kaolin clay and lavender and a little bit of peppermint essential oils in here. So we'll go ahead and add that. We'll put half of it in here and half of it in here. And I have, like I said, my kaolin clays in here. So I want to make sure I get all of that goodness out. And we'll mix this up. Spatula, make sure we get it all mixed in, make sure there's nothing on the bottom. And we have our fruits in here, so hopefully that'll look good. And before I even mix up the other one, I want to get this in the mold. So the lid on this essential oil container. Bring this over. Let me see that you can see this. Okay. It's starting to thicken up. We have a good medium trace. That's good. Let me clean this off. Okay, Pear and Blueberry with Alkanet. There we go. It's all in here. Okay. So I'm not saving any for the top. So I will just put all this goodness in here. I'm making a mess. I have to do it the other way. Hi everybody, I brought you back. I'm going to put some divots in this soap so it doesn't get all flat, because we don't want it all flat. So we're going to just put some waves in here. I like some deep waves. Very good. Very nice. Okay, it didn't take long for this to set up. So, and I have been mixing, let me see, put this out of the way here. I have been mixing my white with the stick blender as I've been waiting. So, we're at a light trace here. I think we can put it into our mold. So I'm going to scrape off my stick blender. I know I'm stating the obvious. And I'm going to pour this in the mold here. Let's see if you can see. Very good. Alright. And I'm going to, I think we're hard enough that I can just pour this in. So I'm going to try and do that gently at first. See how it goes. Oh yes, this is going to go fine. So we'll just pour this in. And it'll be filling all those gaps. If it goes through some, it's no matter. You just want to cover everything nice and nice. I'm hoping for a better color than gray-brown for the Alkanet, but we shall see. It'll be a lovely soap nonetheless. Okay, so it looks like I've covered it. So it looks like I can just pour the rest on here very gently. Get it all in there. Cover up all the alkanet. We have some of the alkanet floating up. That's fine. I think we're going to do a texture on the top. Let's see if I can get the rest of this in here to level things out. And that's good. And we'll wait for that to harden up, and I'll bring you back to texture the top. Okay, I'll bring you back. So I'm trying to texture this soap. It's still a little liquidy, but I'm impatient like most soapers, I guess, most humans. So I'm going to go ahead and just texture it. And I have some salt with some alkanet root around them to put on the top, sort of tie in what's in the bottom. Okay, let's try this side. There we go. Okay, and now we have a good middle to put our salt. So let's see what we got. These got alkanet root on them. I better take my gloves off. I'm never going to get these on here where I want them. I don't want them in there. Get out. Of course, they've got alkanet on them and they're going to smear. Well, I'm going to get it all over my hands, but that can't be helped. So we'll just put a nice coating on here of these nice salts all down through the end here. So satisfying. Woohoo! I'll wipe off my spoon here. And I'm going to use my spoon just to push those down in to make sure they stay in there. Hi everybody, Cynthia with SwanSoapandSuch, and we're going to be cutting this soap today that I made for the Soap Challenge Club. It's made with Pear and Blueberry and also alkanet root for color, and it came out very interesting. So I'm getting my gloves on and let's get to cutting this. Okay, put this paper over here. Okay, and we'll go ahead and cut. Probably should have turned it on the side because of the salt, but they're big enough pieces. So this is what it looks like. I had it kind of wavy on the bottom. So you can see that this discoloration along the bottom is probably may continue and get into a different color, but we'll see what happens. And the top. Okay, well they're all pretty much going to be the same. So here's another one. We got a little blop up there. And another one. I like my lines. I like all this different lines. This makes it interesting to look at, I think. Okay, well, you guys have a great day. Enjoy. God bless. Thanks for watching.